Let's review the brand new POCO M8 Power 5G. Check out this sleek and stylish angular design. From every angle, the premium build quality shines. It comes in 3 stunning colors to match your style.
The POCO M8 Power 5G has a sleek design. Notice the sharp camera detail and smooth texture. It comes in 3 stunning colors. Massive 8000 mAh silicon carbon battery. Experience sound, stay connected, capture every moment. Share your world, stay productive, find your way, explore more, power your life.